Hello and welcome to this video where we're going to show you how the Universal Outlook add-in allows you to share large files. In this demo, we would like to start from Bob Blue's desktop, who wants to create an email with a very large attachment. The attachment is a video file of 129 megabytes. The file is being uploaded, and meanwhile that the upload is happening, Peter can finish his email and click OK. The link is protected using Syncplicity security policies. So let's look at such a policy. In this case, the administrator defined that the recipient must log in, which cannot be changed, and the link will expire in 14 days, which can also not be changed. When Bob sends the email, you'll see that the mail is already in the Sent Items folder. When we look on Peter's computer, he received the email, and when he clicks on the link, he needs to authenticate. If you have single sign-on, this step is not necessary. And when Peter is authenticated, he can download the file and decide to either save it to his desktop or store it somewhere else. And when the file is downloaded, of course, Peter can now finally view the video. When we return back to Bob's computer, we can track if the link was downloaded. From the activity feed, you see that Bob created the link. The link is stored in the email attachments folder. And he can track the link and notice that Peter has received the file and he also downloaded it. So from here, if Bob no longer wants Peter to have access to that file, he can disable the link. And then when Peter tries to download the file again, he will no longer be able to download it. The value of the Universal Outlook add-in is that end users can share large files from Outlook and are no longer restricted by any maximum size of an attachment. End users do not really require any learning curve because the user experience is very self-explaining, and especially for the recipient who will just receive an email with a link attached to it. End users can now use the exact same protection mechanism as if they would generate a shared link from Windows Explorer or Mac Finder. And of course, this works in both Office 365, Office 2016, 2013, as also the web client of Outlook. From the other hand, IT remains in control over how information is being shared and also can now have more control how information is being shared with external parties. Admins can silently and centrally deploy the Outlook add-in via the Office 365 management. They can enforce the Syncplicity granular policies linked to Active Directory, which is really unique compared to many other solutions on the market. And of course, by moving the attachments away out of that expensive email server storage, we can also reduce costs. So far for our demonstration. I hope you enjoyed it. Thank you very much. Bye-bye.